Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a built-in data type in Python called set. Set is an unordered collection of unique elements. A set does not contain any duplicate value or elements, and sets are mutable. So we will create a set using this add method. But before creating the set, we have to define the set. So here I am defining set1 is equal to set. After that, I am adding elements to that set. So first element I am adding 64, then false, then 5.14157, and then the string machine. After that, I am printing that set, then printing the type and length of that set. So this is the set. It is having 4 elements and it is of class set, and the length of the set is 4 because we are having 4 elements. Now I will try to remove an element 64. The element 64 I will try to remove from this set. So this is the new set. 64 has been removed from that set. Now I will try to remove the 64 again. That means I am trying to remove an item which is not there in the set. It is already removed. So it should give me an error. So we have got an error, key error 64. 64 is not there in the set, so it has given me an error. But this error can be avoided if I use discard method instead of remove. So now it is not showing me that error when I use the discard method. But it is better to use the remove method, because since the element was not there in the set, we should get an error. Now using the clear method, I can remove all the elements from the set. So I am removing all the elements using the clear method and then printing the set and the length of the set. So after removing the set, after clearing the set, then I am printing the set here. This was the set. After clearing the set, I have printed the set. It has displayed an empty set, and the length of this empty set is 0. Now here we are able to add elements to the set, so that means sets are mutable. But we are having frozen set here. These frozen sets are immutable. So here we have created a frozen set, and I am printing that set here. So this is the frozen set. Now if I try to add an element A to that set, it is giving me an error. It is saying that frozen sets are immutable. So I cannot add elements to a frozen set. Now here in this set I am having duplicate elements 1, 2 and 4 are the duplicate elements in this set, but when I print the set, it will be devoid of the duplicates. Duplicates won't be there when I print the set. So here it has printed the set without duplicates. Now we will see some basic operations on set. The first is union S1. I am having two sets here, S1 and S2. Two sets here. So S1 union S2, I am printing that set. S3 is equal to S1 union S2, and I am printing the set S3. S1 union S2 means union will return all the elements from both the sets without repetition. In other words, distinct elements from both the sets will be returned. So here it is, all the elements have been printed, distinct elements have been printed from both the sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9 have been printed. So now intersection. Intersection means common elements from both the sets will be printed. In this case, common elements are 1, 2 and 5. These elements will be printed. So this is intersection 1, 2 and 5, the common elements have been printed here. Now difference. The difference operation is performed on two sets, S1 and S2, and it will return elements which are present in S1 but not in S2. It will return the elements which are present in S1 but not in S2. That is 6 and 4 are present in S1 but it is not in S2. So here we have got 6 and 4 which was present in S2 but not in, which was present in S1 but not in S2. Now we will print the other way around, S2 difference S1. That means present in S2 but not in S1. So those elements are 5 and 9. No, not 5 and 9, 1, 2, 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are present in S2 but they are not present in S1. So here it is, 3 and 9 are present in S2 but they are not present in S1. So that is the difference operator. Now we have exclusive operator which will return all the elements which are exclusively in S1 and S2. That means, in other words, common elements will be removed. So exclusively in S1 are 6 and 4. Other elements are there in S2. Similarly, exclusively in S2 are 3 and 9. So 6, 4, 3 and 9 will be printed because exclusive elements are printed. So 6, 4 are the exclusive elements in set 1 and 3 and 9 are not present in S2. So those are the exclusive elements in set 2. So 6, 4, 3 and 9 should get printed. So here it is 6, 4, 3 and 9 have got printed. Now we are having the in operators. So we can find out whether an element is there in the set or not. First it is checking whether both the sets are equal or not. So in this case both the sets are not equal. So first one will be false. First print will be false. Then 4 in set 1. So 4 is present in set 1. So it is true. Then next is 4 in set 2. 4 in set 2 is false because it is not present. Then 4 not in set 2. 4 not in set 2 is true. It is not in set 2. So we will execute this. So S1 equal to S2 is false because both are different. Then 4 in S1 is true, so that is true. The second one is true. Then 4 in S2 is false. It is not there in S2, false. And the last 4 not in S2. 4 is not in S2, so that is true. So hope you understood this video. These were the basic operations of set. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe this channel so that I will be able to put more videos like this. Thanks very much.